okutahirira enyamisho mu marindiro gazo hamwe n'enyamisho okusiisha ebintu by'abantu n'okubita ni bimwe aha bizibu ebitubaire nibiteganisa abatuura b'omwanya ogu. Orukukurra eby'obuhangwa omu disitulikiti ya Rubirizi nagira ngu abatuura aba bakwekoramu ekibiina nikwe kutandika okutunga enjoki ezirikubahwera okutangira enyamishwa hamwe n'okushiisha emisiri yabo.
Strategies need to be aligned with the hub strategies. The hub strategies align with the wildlife practice strategy. So we can get all that right-hand side of our theory of change around reducing exploitation if everybody aligns. So I was very happy to hear that.
We're so blessed with amazing teams doing incredible work on the ground. My message to the participants will be to keep on doing what they're doing. We look forward to supporting them to be able to grow their activities and to be able to scale things, and ultimately, together with our partners, achieving more to protect wildlife and make sure people and wildlife are living together in harmony.
Funire ebihumi ebi tukaba twine ekizibu ky'enjojo. Enjojo zikaba zirya emisiri yitu, gavumenti yanga kutuyamba tubonabona tuyinga emisiri tubabo kurara omu misiri abaseza batuura oku abakazi omu kabaana babasobera.
Ebihumi ebi bihirwe ekitongore ekirikurinda eby'obuhangwa ekya World Wide Fund for Nature n'ekigendererwa ky'okureeba ngu enyamishwa zarindwa kandi n'ebintu by'abantu tibyasiishwa ningashi coexistence omu Rungereza.
Kandi byaheza kurya tusigarra kandi twine kugaruka kuronda sente zo kugaruka kuhereza abaana kuza ishomero no kuronda ebyokurya. So WWF kayamba abakyara aba kubateeraho ebihumi ebi. So ntu expecting ngo buri mukyara nakuba nayihamu akasente. Buri season yihamwe emitwaro 15 wabazamwe ebihumi 25 bamuhire omukyaro ogwo mwaka nabasa kushomesa abaana nabasa kurya ebyokurya n'obutabanku bwo makano buza kuba bucendire
ngo ngene life y'abantu aba ehindukire munonga habo kuba nibihe sente mu mpunu bashashura school fees biha sente mu bwoki bashashura school fees ninga babeteraho izindi projects nk'ezembuzi. So mwenu batwakiraje tuwene twahurira twashemera
yima aba WWF bakozera mu rumogomani kutereza ebyo bihumi enzo cyo nanke enzo zo kuzabenza utayira ati zicutayira.
Abatuura aba bakahebwa itaka erikwingana kilometers 10 omu irindiro rya Queen Elizabeth National Park kandi okwena ibarukutungira enjoki zabo. Gasha kwa Michael tumwachire.